Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to talk on the topic packing for China, what to pack and how to pack. In this video we will cover, and because there are many students who are unsure what to pack. Before you start packing, I really want to say that please remember that you cannot bring your whole life in one suitcase, and China is the country and people are living and you can find everything that you need. So let's make packing smart and simple. Without any further delay, let's start the video. Before you start packing, first check your airline luggage allowance to avoid extra fee. How to check this one? Mostly it's written on your flight ticket and it's also available on their website. Mostly like the big bag weight limit is around 20 to 23 kg is a general, but you must check. And the hand carry limit is 7 to 10 kg, and the small backpack is for your personal items. It's normally it can be fit in front of your seat, but first you must check with your airline. In the first category, I would say that you must need to bring prayer mat and Quran Pak, and for male student, I would say bring your prayer cap. In the second category, I would give this category to medicine because health is very expensive in China. Even though students do have the insurance, because of language issues, it will be a very complicated process. So I would suggest you to bring your basic medicine. I have listed down, you can see them very carefully, or you can also like bring according to your needs, because stomach medicines are very important here. You are new to this country for eating something different, so mostly students face this issue, so don't forget to bring the medicine stomach related also. The next is food item, what to bring in food. There are different kind of stories, but I would say that just bring basic spices and rice. 2 pack of each spice is okay, like basic spices. But for yeah, Pakistani tea, must bring Pakistani tea because it's expensive here. So if you are a tea lover, then must bring at least 1 kg. Next is like the chili powder, garam masala, kadhai gosht masala, and biryani masala. Just bring 1 or 2 pack would be more than enough. Next, you can bring pickle and roux afza for Ramzan. Next, like sweet, sivaya and kheer mix for Eid. Dal, half of half a kilogram of each dal would be enough. Just bring 1 or 2 different kind because they are easily available in China, and 1 kg rice would be more than enough. So please do not bring these things a lot. Yeah, but tea is like expensive, must bring tea. And the next category is personal care. You can bring these items for 1 to 2 months. They are easily available in China, but having your own initially it's great. I have already listed below some of them. You can see and buy it according to your needs. For clothes, I would say that pack according to the weather in your city. For Western clothes, I would say that please do not bring these Western clothes such as jeans and shirt from Pakistan. You can find these in China on very reasonable rate and in the good quality. But like if you already own, then just grab them. Otherwise, 3 pair of jeans and 4 shirts are enough. Next is winter clothes. I would say that do not bring heavy jackets or thermal from Pakistan because in China the weather is different, so you can bring cash and buy it from here. If you already have it, just keep them. Next is traditional wear. So I would say that you must keep, if you are the girls who normally wear traditional clothes, then must bring at least 6 outfit. But if you wear normally jeans, then 4 outfits like you need it for the like events such as Eid, and school normally organize culture festivals, so you need to wear them. Now, for boys, I would say that I have already listed some of items, so 3 kurtas are enough for boys. For shoes and gift category, I would say that bring 2 pair of shoes try to bring sneakers and some gift for your professors and lab mates. If your professor is females, maybe you can bring some Pakistani shawls, and if he is male, then you can bring ajrak or sindhi cap. If like you are not sure, like especially for master student, so I would say that bring small decoration piece, traditional one like such as Badshai Masjid or maybe Baba the Rehaber, something like this. The next category is bedding, electronics, kitchen item. So I would say that do not bring blankets and pillows. They will be provided by the school. If you want to bring, then only bring bed sheet. But I would say must bring adapter because in China the switches are different from Pakistan, so it would be difficult for you. So next I would say that for the kitchen item, mostly students do not bring any things they can buy in China because they are very cheap here. So if you really want to bring, just bring one plate, one cup of tea and one spoon. In the first part of the video, we have discussed what to pack. In this part, now let's talk about how to distribute atom among your checked bag, hand carry and backpack. In checked bag, I would say that pack your clothes, personal items, care such as shampoos, lotions, medicines, food item and shoes. Avoid packing electronics item in this bag because it's not allowed. And next we have the hand carry. For your hand carry, pack extra clothes, documents and electronics item. Remember, in this hand carry the liquid is not allowed. If you pack any liquid things such as lotions in the airport, they will just throw it out. Next we have the backpack. All documents, I would say your laptop, chargers, phone and passport should be in your backpack because you need them on your like on airport during security checking and interview times. So here are some quick tips for smooth travel. Keep all electronics in your backpack to avoid opening your hand carry again and again at security point. Avoid wearing jewelry, hair clip or hijab pin with heavy metal. Avoid shoes or belt with heavy metal to avoid security alarm. If this happen, then you need to go for additional checking. So better to avoid this, and don't forget to bring a ballpoint with you because during the security checking you need to fill China's entry form and no one will offer you the ballpoint, so must bring a ballpoint with you.